Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain the best apps for organizing notes. We'll dive into how these tools can transform your productivity, helping you capture ideas and manage information effortlessly. From quick reminders to extensive research projects, finding the right app is crucial. We'll cover essential features like robust search capabilities and seamless integration across all your devices, ensuring your notes are always accessible and perfectly organized. Evernote stands out as a comprehensive solution for many users. It excels at capturing diverse information, from handwritten notes to web pages, and organizing it with a flexible tagging system. With its powerful search, you can quickly find any piece of information, even within images or PDFs. It offers generous storage, with free accounts providing 60 megabytes of new uploads monthly and premium options for more extensive use. Microsoft OneNote offers a fantastic free option, especially for those already in the Microsoft ecosystem. It's like a digital binder, allowing you to organize notes into sections and pages, and even draw or handwrite directly on the canvas. Its integration with other Microsoft products is a huge plus, making it easy to pull in information from Word or Outlook. Plus, it supports real-time collaboration, perfect for team projects or shared family notes. For those seeking an all-in-one workspace, Notion is an incredibly powerful choice. It goes beyond simple note-taking, allowing you to create databases, manage projects, and build extensive knowledge bases. Its flexibility means you can customize almost anything, from simple to-do lists to complex content calendars. While it has a learning curve, the ability to consolidate so many tools into one platform makes it invaluable for individuals and teams alike, offering a free personal plan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.